2020 New Year greetings and reminder. We recognize the year of return and welcome all our brothers and sisters coming home from the diaspora. Justice matters a lot, and for that matter, we entreat you all to visit the renowned shrine to see the best of tradition. This message is coming from the priests and elders in charge of Nogokpo Shrine in the Volta region as a warning and an alert to all. The Nogokpo Shrine came about to be built at Nogokpo during a misunderstanding between some people at Agbozum in the very olden days, in the early 1900s, so the spirit asked to be moved elsewhere for peace to prevail. The meaning of Nogokpo is for you to stay in peace. Nogokpo is a peaceful town as well as the whole area. This shrine takes care of anything in this world, and apart from the Supreme Court in Ghana, this is where the truth can be found in any case pending at any court in Ghana and Africa. It also takes care of spiritual stuff, anything to do with lost items, health issues, travel issues, and any other issues that disturb mankind. It has come to the notice of the shrine and people of Nogokpo that many people are using the name of the shrine to dupe people. Even implicated in this crime are people from this town, Nogokpo, who defraud unsuspecting people pretending they are doing the things at the Nogokpo Shrine. These people, as freedom of religion, have their own gods, but they use the name of Nogokpo to lure unsuspecting victims to cure them of illness, but they have no links with the Nogokpo Shrine. Many people complain of not having or getting what they paid for, but the fact is they did not do any consultation or rituals at the Nogokpo Shrine. So we are sending this information out that you have to come to the shrine to get what you want because the powers are working here. Information reaching us indicate that many people, other traditional priests with their own gods, have advertisements and people at the lorry stations and drivers who link up with them immediately somebody says he or she is traveling to Nogokpo. The priests and elders of Nogokpo Shrine wish everybody from all over the world a happy new year. Contact us for any problem and we shall be glad to help you. Nogokpo Shrine at yahoo.com. William Zamuzu. Plus 233 0 242 to 175,511. Nogokpo Shrine at yahoo.com. From Nogokpo Shrine.